Hello and welcome to the new Power BI tutorial video where I want to show you how you can find the value for every last day of year. So if this is one of your requirement where you want to specifically identify the value of the last day of every year, then this video or this DAX function, which I will show you in a minute, can be useful. Alright, and before I show, just a quick information that if you have landed on the very first time on my channel, then this sheet link is something which I am posting in the description. That means using this link, you can access or easily search all of my previous videos. Also, since this is a live Google spreadsheet, all of my future videos will also be updated over here, which you can easily search and jump to it using the link which is present in the column B. So that's something I wanted to make sure that you know this piece so that you can get maximum out of the videos that I'm posting or I will post in the future. So make sure you bookmark that. Alright, with that, let's move on to the Power BI. So here we are in a Power BI, and as you can see, it's a very simple table where I have year, quarter and month. And you have this 2007 as year, quarter, and here are the 3 months. And down there, if you see, the last value is basically 69,545. That is based on this order date. And let's say if you want to clock this, then I will going to use the function, or I will need to create a measure. So I will click on, not the quick measure actually, I'm going to click on the new measure. And I will give it a name, value last day of year. Now this can be different based on the granularity because order date is a date which is for a specific day. So level of granularity is something we need to make sure. So let me show you the output and then I will let you know what I mean by that. So value last day of the year, and we will say closing balance year. And I will say sum of sales is something what I'm showing over here as a sales, which you are viewing the numerical value over here. So with that, I will say order date. Okay, not this, order date, something I want to select. And once I'm done, I will click OK or this right sign. So value last day of year is something I want to now search and pull it over here. Okay. So now if you see, this is what the output that we are getting, and you may be expecting that in quarter 4 or over here 5253 is actually the value. However, what you see it over here is 69,545. So what exactly is happening? Well, that's what I meant by the level of granularity. Reason for this is order date is having the lowest level as the days, right? So if you have a table where the lowest granularity is not available, your output may be different, like what we are getting it over here. So the way we can correct this is if I go here, if I have this or show all levels, if I click on here, you see that now day is coming, right? That means if I, let's say, expand this table by right clicking and clicking expand all levels, and now the day is coming, and if I go all the way down to December last day on 31st value, the value is 5253 is something what you were seeing earlier. So that's something I wanted to make sure that I show you a scenario, not just to achieve this, but where you may get the incorrect value and you may figure out, oh, why this is not happening. Now there may be scenarios where you may want to get the monthly value. Well, in that case you need to create a new table altogether, and how to create a new table is something you can search it over here. Like I think I have posted a video, so if I control F, how to create new table. Okay, if I search, there is nothing which I get. I think I have posted a video on the DAX table which is basically to create a table. Yeah, over here, if you see, if I just search by table, you get so many values highlighted in green. Okay, over here, creating new table in Power BI, right? So this is something which I have posted, and something which is based on the condition and things like those. So you can see all of my table specific videos like I was mentioning earlier by simply searching it. That means you need to create one custom table where the level of granularity is not day but the month, right? So that's something I'll leave it up because there can be hundreds of different scenarios by which you may want to do that. But I wanted to just let you know as to how you can achieve it by creating a new table altogether, which has the higher level granularity from day to month. All right. So with that, thank you so much. And I'll meet you in the next video with a new topic.